What's going on? How's everybody doing today? Today we will be scrapping out this sealed unit. If you've seen, I did a video before. I scrapped out two of these. They came off an ice cream machine, and both of those ended up being aluminum motors on the inside. Hopefully with this one right here, I get redeemed. Better luck and I get a copper motor. Make it worth it. Do have a little bit of copper still on the outside. We like copper. Copper's good. This piece and this piece will be able to go in as number one because there's no paint, there's no solder on it. So I'll cut it here, I'll cut this one here, I'll leave that one for later. Nice piece of number one copper. Another piece of number one copper. These will cut off later, they'll be number two. Next thing we are going to do, cut around here, take this top off. Make sure when you're using an angle grinder you do have some sort of eye pro on because sparks and debris does fly up and hit you in the face. We're going to cut this off. All right, we got a couple 1/4 inch bolts right here, 4 of them. We're going to take these off. One, two, three, four. Uh-oh. Let's see. All right, moment of truth. We got copper. That's a good thing. So now I'm going to take this, pull it straight up. Now you need to be careful with this because there is a bunch of oil on the inside. I'm going to drain this out into a 55-gallon bucket later. All right. So check it out. We got a copper stator. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this sucker apart and see how much copper we have. All right, I'm in the shop right now. First thing I'm going to do to get this copper out, I'm going to cut this off right here, this crown. And there you have it. Nice little copper bowl. And we're going to weigh that up at the end. Now I'm going to beat this out. Now there's a lot of different ways to do it. Everybody does it a different way. This is just the way I do it. Get the pry bar in there, loosen it up, pry it down a few times, and then beat it, flip it, out a little bit, flip it some more, get a good bite underneath that lip. I need a new vise. Now we're gonna flip it around again. You know, it's a lot easier doing this when I'm not trying to film it. Make sure the vise is nice and tight. Right now, should be my final whack. And there we go, ball of copper. All right, let's see how much we got. All right, you can see it's on 0. The crown weighs 1 pound, 10 ounces. We just got 4 pounds of copper. And not long, 4 pounds of copper, and not long time at all. Hey, well that was worth it. I wish those other 2 would have had copper in it, but I'm happy with it. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments. Thank you.